Star ratings are a great way to help prioritize the media in your library. You can add 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars to any photo in your Mylio Photos library. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and double click on this image to select it, and from here I can go ahead and add a star rating to it. Now you can do this over here in the right panel, or you can simply use your arrow key on your keyboard to click to the next image and use keyboard shortcuts to add these star ratings. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 and simply type that in on your keyboard. So let's say we want to make this a 3-star and then move to the next image, maybe make that a 4-star, and you can keep moving through these very quickly and easily. We can also do this from the grid view. Simply select an image and you'll notice the selected image has this blue border. From here you can use those keyboard shortcuts to enter in your star rating or simply click and tap over here in the right panel. Later on when you're ready to find these images, star ratings can be used in the QuickFilters to quickly filter and find all of your 3, 4, and 5-star rated images or whatever ranking you're looking for.